In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build diagrams in drawio. We'll start a new diagram, add and connect shapes, style and label them, then save and export your work with confidence. Open your browser and go to draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. On the welcome screen, choose Create New Diagram. Pick a template for a head start or select a blank canvas to build from scratch. Name your file for easy retrieval. You'll see the workspace, a grid in the center, the shape library on the left, and the format panel on the right. From the left sidebar, drag shapes onto the canvas. Rectangles and diamonds suit processes and decisions, and more stencils are available from the library dropdown. As you place shapes, alignment guides, and the grid keep things tidy. Resize with corner handles and rotate with the small circular handle above the shape. To connect shapes, hover until small blue arrows appear. Click an arrow and drag to the next shape. Release to create a connector that snaps to a port. Adjust its path by dragging waypoints. It stays attached as you move shapes, keeping the layout tidy. Select any shape or connector and use the format panel to style it. Change fill colors, borders, line thickness, arrowheads, and fonts. Aim for consistent colors and text sizes to establish a clear hierarchy. For connectors, pick straight, curved, or elbow lines for readability, and choose arrow styles that match the direction of flow. To add labels, double-click a shape or double-click an empty area to create a standalone text box. Type your content, then use the text tools in the Format panel to adjust size, weight, and alignment. When you're ready to save, go to File, then Save. Choose a location such as your device or a supported cloud service, name the file, and confirm. Save regularly to protect your progress. To share or publish, go to File, Export As, and choose PNG, JPG, or SVG. Set the size and resolution to suit your needs, then export. That's the whole workflow. Start new, add shapes, connect, style, label, save, and export. With a bit of practice, you'll create clear professional diagrams in minutes.